How does one make sure their iced coffee isn't watered down by melting ice cubes? Iced coffee is a refreshing beverage that can provide a quick pick-me-up on a hot day. However, many people find that their iced coffee becomes watered down as the ice cubes melt, diluting the flavor and strength of the drink. This can be frustrating, but there are several methods that can help to prevent this from happening. In this article, we'll explore some tips and tricks to help you make sure your iced coffee isn't watered down by melting ice cubes. Brew stronger coffee. One of the most effective ways to prevent your iced coffee from becoming watered down is to brew a stronger coffee. When the ice cubes melt, they dilute the coffee, so having a stronger brew will help to maintain the flavor and strength of the drink. You can achieve this by using a higher coffee-to-water ratio or by choosing a darker roast of coffee. Experiment with different brewing methods and types of coffee until you find the perfect balance of strength and flavor for your iced coffee. Use coffee ice cubes. Instead of using regular ice cubes, try using coffee ice cubes. Simply brew some extra strong coffee and freeze it in ice cube trays. When you make your iced coffee, use the coffee ice cubes instead of regular ice cubes. As the coffee ice cubes melt, they will only add more coffee flavor to the drink rather than diluting it with water. Make cold brew coffee. Cold brew coffee is made by steeping coffee grounds in cold water for an extended period of time, typically overnight. The result is a smooth and strong coffee concentrate that can be diluted with water or milk to make iced coffee. Because the coffee is already cold, there is no need for ice cubes, which means there is no risk of the coffee becoming watered down. You can make a large batch of cold brew coffee and keep it in the fridge for up to a week, ready to use whenever you want to make iced coffee. Chill your coffee before adding ice. Another way to prevent your iced coffee from becoming watered down is to chill the coffee before adding ice. Simply brew your coffee as usual, let it cool to room temperature, and then refrigerate it for a few hours before making your iced coffee. This will help to reduce the temperature of the coffee and prevent the ice cubes from melting too quickly. You can also add a splash of milk or cream to the chilled coffee to make it creamier and more refreshing. Use a different type of ice. Not all ice cubes are created equal. Some ice cubes are larger and melt more slowly, while others are smaller and melt more quickly. To prevent your iced coffee from becoming watered down, consider using a different type of ice cube. You can try using crushed ice, which will melt more quickly but will also chill the coffee more quickly. Alternatively, you can use large ice cubes, which will melt more slowly and keep the coffee cooler for longer. Add flavor without water. If you like to add flavor to your iced coffee, consider using flavorings that don't contain water. For example, you can use flavored syrups or extracts to add a burst of flavor without diluting the coffee. You can also add spices like cinnamon or nutmeg, which will add flavor without adding any water. In conclusion, iced coffee is a refreshing drink that can be enjoyed all year round. However, the problem of melting ice cubes can quickly ruin the flavor and strength of the drink. By following these tips and tricks, you can prevent your iced coffee from becoming watered down and ensure that every sip is full of flavor and refreshment. So, go ahead and indulge in a delicious and satisfying glass of iced coffee without any worries of watered-down coffee. With these methods, you can customize your iced coffee to your liking and enjoy it without any compromises.